An exfoliating mask trending on TikTok. That statement about the Banish Pumpkin Enzyme Mask had me intrigued. Does trending mean it actually gets recommended? I'm not on TikTok that often, but I remember the hype around a similar mask from Peter Thomas Roth a few years ago, praised as effective exfoliation for all skin types. Is the same true for the Banish one? Let's take a look at the ingredients, performance on the skin, and how it is best used for optimal results. And if you are on TikTok, what is the consensus there? Let me know. If you're new here, welcome. I'm Dr. Anne, a physician passionate about skincare and well aging. According to the brand, it is supposed to reveal your best skin smooth and glowing after just 10 minutes. If you have ever cooked with pumpkin, you will instantly be reminded of that when you open the pot, as it looks like a brownish, gooey, cooked down pumpkin. Despite the gooiness, it is easy to spread on the face though, leaving an interesting colored film that will amuse everyone seeing you. According to the brand, you should use it 1 to 3 times a week on clean skin, so after cleansing and before you apply other products. I wouldn't classify my skin as sensitive, although it is a little reactive sometimes to strong acids due to the tretinoin I use. Using the Banish mask for 10 minutes once a week was about as much as my skin could tolerate though. It felt a little tingly starting at the 5-minute mark, and my skin was reddened and a little tight after washing it off. Once the redness subsided, my skin was definitely smooth and appeared brighter but needed good hydration. The mask dries down to a film and isn't too easily washed off. I preferred using a washcloth to remove it. Looking at the ingredient list, you need to be aware of the fact that there is an older version of the mask still referred to in reviews that only had different extracts at source of natural AHAs. The new version here has glycolic acid added separately to exfoliate as well as ascorbic acid for extra brightening. Both are in the first third of the ingredient list, but I can't say at which percentage. Other than that, you have glycerin for hydration, vitamin E as an extra antioxidant, and then a bunch of plant extracts. Those plant extracts are in parts source of natural AHAs, in parts for antioxidant benefits, but also with quite a few that could be irritating, like orange and lemon peel extract. Even though I like the smoothing and brightening effect on my skin, the Banish Pumpkin Enzyme Mask isn't something I would consider adding to my rotation. I get the same effect from other AHA products, but without the added plant extracts that, in combination, at least on my skin, led to redness and a tight feeling I try to avoid. That might be different for you, but even then I would argue you could get similar results for a better price. If your skin is sensitive, I wouldn't suggest using it, and if congested pores are your main concern, it probably won't be the best choice either, as it has mainly surface exfoliation, better for texture and pigmentation than for exfoliating inside the pore. If there's anything you would like to add, please do so in the comments below. I will link to more videos you might find interesting on the screen, and add links to my Instagram and blog in the description box. And if you want exclusive Q&As, behind the scenes content, or just get more involved, become a channel member. I would love to have you join the community. See you soon. Bye.